This is Time Warp, and the screams are real. If you've ever wanted to experience a POV on-ride of one of the most intense and darkest water slides in America, you found the right place.
Welcome, it's Delton Doodle, and today we're going to be taking you on the Time Warp at Noah's Ark Waterpark.
Noah's Ark is considered the largest water park in the world, and we can agree. Let us know if you've ever been. If you haven't, we have tons of on-rides and a full tour on our channel. Let us know in the comments if you like water parks or if you've been to Noah's Ark. So what you're seeing here is the lifeguards giving you a very, very high-level safety check, overview, and a little bit of confidence going into this ride. So be sure to listen to them if you ever do take this trip. Before the ride even gets going, after you load up, we want you to look at the top of the screen and check all the warnings that this ride has. It is extremely intense and super dark.
Lean forward. Hold on. It's going.
Oh my God!
Ah, yeah, baby! Yeah! Is the dinosaur gonna bite us? Oh my God! Oh, I thought the dinosaur was gonna do something.
That hurts my back.
Now, if you enjoyed that and you want to see more Noah's Ark, we left a brief intro to our full Noah's Ark tour here, and we'll link the video so you can see the whole thing. Hey everybody, this is our tour of America's largest water park, Noah's Ark in Wisconsin Dells. We hope you enjoy, and we're going to take you through the entire park